What are we making, Conrad?
Dude, okay, we're about to make some resin art. We've got our two epoxy resins that you mix together, like your A and B mix. And then these are our dope filaments. Got our beets.
Sweet.
And we'll get mixing.
What are you eating, Sarah?
A salad.
A salad. Mmm, yummy. So that's part 2, and you mix that in a 50-50 ratio. And how long does it have to dry, Conrad?
Then like 24 hours, like a while. I'm just gonna add like a little bit of. I'm not sure how strong this is, so I'm just gonna sauce it. I reckon it's almost time to start. Yeah, actually, that may be an issue.
That looks more like a...
Oh yeah, it does, it does. Do you want to add some of that blue into that?
Yeah. Or maybe, like...
Alright, so we've vastly underestimated how much resin we actually need.
Also save a bit in there for like later, because then it's good to like flip over. Well, I'm definitely getting there.
So much of this color.
I know. I need to get rid of it. But it'll start off like this. Yeah, nice. Actually, I reckon we might just be okay.
That silver's cool. Oh, that's nice.
World in the palm of your hands, you still might drop it. And everybody wanna reach inside your pocket, so it goes. It's like in every conversation we the topic. It's narcissism more like narcotics, so it goes. Well, everybody gather around.